Do you need a trademark in order to sell on Amazon? Or can you simply just choose any brand name and start selling? No, you don't need a trademark to sell on Amazon, but no, you can't just simply choose any brand name and start selling. Hi, my name is Crystal and I'm the founder of Amazon Sellers Society and Sellers Society. If you are in love and obsessed with selling on Amazon and e-commerce and creating a business just for yourself online, make sure that you subscribe to the channel as well as like this video so YouTube can spread it around to other like-minded fantastic people such as yourself. Now, if you already have a trademark and you're looking for a way of how to use that trademark in order to register your brand on Amazon, then good news, we've created a free step-by-step downloadable guide. You'll find the link in the description box of this video. Go ahead and download it right now. But if you still have not created or even registered a trademark, then keep on watching. So when should you trademark and where should you trademark? Before I answer those questions, let's take a few steps back. Is it really that important for the Amazon customer that they buy from a trademarked brand on Amazon? Well, according to statistics, 42% of customers are willing to purchase products from Amazon from a brand which they've never purchased from before or never even seen before, which is fantastic for new sellers and small businesses and new brand owners. People are open to buying from brands which they've never seen before. However, also Amazon recognizes that customers are looking for good quality products. And Amazon, being a client or customer-centered company, has developed the brand registration program to incentivize you as a seller to get, well, brand registered. As a registered brand on Amazon, you will be provided with additional features that can increase your sales by 10 to 20%.
Of course, you recognize this brand. This is the Nivea brand being sold on Amazon UAE. This is definitely trademarked and registered on Amazon. First of all, you can immediately see one main difference is that instead of the brand name, you have visit the Nivea store. So when you are brand registered, you will be able to have a store on Amazon. I'll show you in a second what it looks like. Additionally, one very important feature is that you can have a video added to your listing, which improves the conversion rate a lot. Additionally, at the bottom of the page, instead of having the standard product description, you can have some additional information and additional images. These images can help you sell the product better and get some more information out to the customer. And as you can see here, Nivea have been able to display all of their products and talk about the whole brand instead of focusing on just one, which means a customer can log in, find one product, and then maybe search another, or so that they don't lose the customer. They might not like this particular product, but they're going to find so many other products. So as you can see here. Now, the important feature is the actual store. So this is what would be a Nivea store. So the website would be amazon.ae/stores/Nivea. So it would provide customers direct access. And if you're doing any social media advertising, you would be able to send customers directly to the store. Or you could also benefit from this because customers are curious and they're going to find your store and see what other products that you are selling. And as you can see, the store actually operates like a website. You can have a menu with multiple products, and you can decide to add whatever you want. As you can see here, they've added the video, they've added different images as well as products. So it's very, very customizable. And of course, when you have a range of products, you don't have to have a lot. But even if you have 3 or 4 products, it's very, very convenient because you can upsell. An important thing as well is that you can do these types of branded ads, meaning you can be top of page, show more than one product with your logo and all of your tag, your brand identity tag, as well as send people directly to your shop if you wanted to. So it provides you additional style or type of advertising, which has proven to be very important. You can also create video ads like this one, which displays video the main image as well as the full information of the product. As you can see, this is a very strong ad because it takes up the full length of the website, and video is always very good. Now, what about a brand name? Can you use any brand name without trademarking it and just simply use it on Amazon? Well, yes, you can. However, you need to make sure that the brand name that you decide to use is not actually a trademarked name by anyone else. Also, make sure that no one else is using that very same name on Amazon, because they might want to trademark it in the future, which will cause you some problems. And my suggestion would be always to create a word or a name rather than use a common word, because eventually that common word will be trademarked by someone else in the future.
Now, one additional reason why you would want to get brand registered and why you would want to get a trademark is because you can completely protect your listings, you can completely protect your brand from being hijacked or being resold by someone else. And that is one main factor which determines where you want your trademark to be registered. So you can register your trademark if you're currently selling in the UAE, for example. You can register your trademark in the US or the UK, which is going to be very fast and it's going to be cost effective versus how long it's going to take in the UAE and how expensive, well, it is expensive in the UAE. But if you are selling on Amazon in the UAE with a UK trademark, then you will get all the additional perks which I just showed you, but you will not be able to protect your brand. So there are positives and negatives, and you need to choose which one works best for you and for your own business. With that being said, when should you trademark? That is something that, depends a lot on the vision for your business. You don't need to trademark as soon as you get started because it's going to be an additional cost to you. And if that's not the vision for your business, then it's not something that you need to do straight away. There are a lot of sellers that decide to do it straight away, straight out of the gate, because they want to really build momentum for their brand, and they just do it immediately and just get started. And there are other sellers that are a little bit cautious and just tend to wait a little bit longer until they are sure that the products, they're very happy with them and they want to move forward with these exact products. If you want to learn a little bit more about the best-selling products on Amazon, then I would suggest that you check out this video right here, and I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.